Matco is the first to market with the best diagnostic tool I've ever seen. The ProAssist helps my customers work smarter and faster.
After I sold one, my customer actually thanked me for the impact it had on his business.
ProAssist is designed to bring OE expertise and capabilities to shops at every level. Gain direct access to brand-specific repair knowledge and remote-assisted programming through an elite team of OE-trained master technicians for all major domestic, Asian, and European brands. Using ProAssist is easy. Simply submit a request to begin an interactive experience with a technician that has been there before. You'll get live guidance throughout the repair process to quickly diagnose and fix the vehicle.
With ProAssist, I can confidently take on work I would normally turn away.
I've been a technician for over 25 years, and to be able to talk to someone that can actually help me is just impressive.
Having ProAssist means I spend less time chasing down the problem and more time actually fixing the vehicle.
Technology is evolving so fast these days. ProAssist allows me to keep pace, compete with the dealership, and be more efficient.
Customers often ask me, do you know any good technicians I can hire? Now with ProAssist, I can say, yeah, I know 100.